Jamaica is known for having the most colorful people in the world. We're going to call the brother in the driver's seat, Michael, and his friend, Mitch. Mitch wants to be a navigator, and his friend, Michael, wants to be the driver.
He's presently right now in the zone. I don't know if you can talk to the camera right now.
Michael is about to get his lesson in aerodynamics.
Let's check out some of the features.
Or, more or less, hydraulics, so to speak. Or maybe a combination of both hydraulics and aerodynamics. Formerly known as hydroplaning, where the car just skims along. Why you turn off the camera? Why you turn off the camera?
The car is so intense. Like a Mark Schumacher. Blood
In the event of an accident, most normal people would A. Call the ambulance, B. Make sure that your friend is okay, or C. Cuss bad word. What does a Jamaican man do?
What happened? You don't know. But it's not, lad.
C. Cuss bad word.
But it's not, lad. But it's not, lad. But it's not, lad. What happened? You don't know.
What the man really should have said was,
what happened?
Ross, my father go kill me.
But it's not, lad.
These and more things can be found only in Jamaica.